Welcome to today's video. The first week of breastfeeding can be a mix of excitement, learning, and challenges. It's a critical time for both mom and baby as you establish a feeding routine and bond. In this video, I'll share essential tips and tricks to help you navigate the first week of your breastfeeding journey with confidence. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end on how to track your baby's feeding and diaper output to ensure everything is on track. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other new moms. Let's start with preparing for breastfeeding. Create a comfortable space. Set up a nursing station with essentials like water, snacks, burp cloths, and a comfortable chair. A nursing pillow can make a big difference in supporting your baby and reducing strain on your back. Pro tip: share in the comments your favorite breastfeeding essentials for the first week. Skin-to-skin contact helps regulate your baby's temperature and encourages their natural instinct to latch. Spend time skin-to-skin as much as possible, especially in the first few days after birth. Pro tip: let me know in the comments how skin-to-skin bonding worked for you and your baby. Next, let's talk about feeding techniques. Focus on the latch. A proper latch prevents discomfort and ensures your baby is getting enough milk. Make sure your baby's mouth covers most of the areola, not just the nipple. Watch for hunger cues. Early signs like rooting, sucking on hands, or lip smacking mean your baby is ready to feed. Feeding on demand helps establish your milk supply and keeps your baby satisfied. Pro tip: if you're struggling with latching, consult a lactation consultant. Share in the comments what helped you master the latch, common challenges, and how to handle them. Engorgement. Your breasts may feel full and tender as your milk comes in. Use warm compresses before feeding and cold packs afterward to reduce discomfort. Sore nipples. It's common to experience some soreness in the first week. Apply lanolin cream or express a few drops of breast milk to soothe and heal. Pro tip: let me know in the comments your go-to remedies for breastfeeding discomfort. Now, let's cover the emotional aspect of breastfeeding. Be patient with yourself. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. It's okay if it takes time to feel natural. Celebrate small wins, like a good latch or a peaceful feeding session. Lean on your support system. Partners, family, or breastfeeding groups can provide encouragement and practical help. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance when you need it. Pro tip: share in the comments how your support system has helped you during your breastfeeding journey. As promised, here's your bonus tip. Keep track of your baby's feeding schedule and diaper output. Aim for 6 to 8 wet diapers and 3 to 4 dirty diapers per day by the end of the first week. Apps or simple charts can make tracking easier and give you peace of mind. Thank you for watching this guide to the first week of breastfeeding. Remember, every mom's journey is unique, and you're doing an amazing job. Be kind to yourself and celebrate the progress you're making each day. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with other moms. Share your first week breastfeeding experiences or tips in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video.